What are you doing, babe?
Packing.
He's leaving me. He's going to Canada for his cousin's wedding. His best cousin. His best friend cousin.
Favoriteest cousin.
He's leaving tomorrow morning at like 4 in the morning. He has to wake up and leave. So, are you gonna wake me up, babe?
Yeah, I'll wake you up and like kiss you goodbye.
Good.
But I won't like wake you up.
Yeah, I want to see you one last time before you leave me. This is the first time we're ever gonna like be apart for a long time since we've been married.
I'm only gonna be gone for like 2 days. That's like it.
Well, I'm gonna be so sad.
Alright, hi guys. It's like 4:30 in the morning right now. I'm just getting ready to head out. I'm gonna go meet up with my parents, and they are they're just gonna be driving. I'm just gonna be riding along with them. But before we go, we got this little guy. He's out on his wheel. Why are you always up at 4:30 in the morning? He's always up early and goes to bed late. And then before I leave, I'm also going to just give these guys a little bit of food as well. But not much, just because it's super early. Let's see if they even... Yeah, those guys usually go for it. But I'm gonna go say goodbye to Allysa. I'm not gonna wake her up too much, just because it is so early and she has to work. And then I'm gonna head out. Hey. Good night.
Good night.
Good morning. Are you sleepy? That's okay. So I made it to Canada. It was a boring drive as always. Yeah, we got here around like noon. I didn't really vlog anything today because we were just kind of setting up things for tomorrow. This is Nick, by the way. Hi. This is my cousin. He was my best man at my wedding, and he's the one getting married now. And we're gonna go back to his place and party. And we're just waiting on one of his friends right now. But I'm gonna be vlogging a lot more tomorrow, so that'll be next video. Alright, today is the day of the wedding. Got this cool little banner thing, but kind of knew this was coming. It snowed last night, and it's kind of really cold still. So it's a good thing that we did it inside, but it is like 32 degrees here and freezing cold. Alright guys, so the wedding is pretty much over now. I didn't get a lot of footage of the ceremony, or actually I didn't get any footage of the ceremony. It was in the middle of a chapel, so they didn't want us to record. And then the reception was, a lot of it was just talking and stuff, and I may have gotten some, I don't really remember, it's been a really long day. But everything's over now, and I'm still running on only 2 hours of sleep right now after being up for like 26 hours, and then only got 2 hours of sleep. So I'm super tired. I'm gonna go back to my grandparents' place and get some sleep, and then tomorrow I'm heading home. See how Alyssa's doing. She's not feeling very good lately. She was sick all day yesterday, so I'm gonna go see how she's doing tomorrow.
Hey guys, I just wanted to vlog a little bit while Brysen was in Canada and just tell you what I'm up to. I've been so sick while he's in Canada. I've had like a nasal congestion and just been like coughing and sneezing a lot. So that kind of sucks. But I've been staying with my parents because I just don't want to stay at my apartment or mine and Brysen's apartment alone because it just scares me. And I've been cuddling with this girl. Don't lick my lips. This is Tiana. I think she's been on the channel before, but she's my dog. My parents will say that she's their dog, but she's my dog. Anyways, I've been missing Brysen, but I'm gonna try and get some sleep now since I couldn't sleep really last night. Brysen should be coming home tomorrow, so I'm so excited to see him. Bye guys. Good morning. It's the next morning. I feel a little bit better. I think you can probably tell in my voice, but I think I'm getting better. Brysen was supposed to come home today, but I guess there's a lot of snow in the mountains and stuff, so I think he's coming home tomorrow.
Yep. She wanted you to get some vlog photos.
Hi.
Hey, so this is Brooklyn.
Hi.
Her fiance Dylan.
I'm Brysen's sister.
So we're heading on our way down right now, and we're going to change that, and we're gonna go back.
We're staying in Canada for the day.
So this trip's just gonna go one more day, and then we'll see how things are tomorrow. So Allysa keeps telling me to just vlog everything, like every 5 texts, vlog that, vlog that, vlog that. So here I am vlogging again, and these guys, I don't know if I can flip the camera around, but those guys slid off the road. Now they're blocking traffic to get out.
And then the tow truck is also blocking traffic because it's stuck.
Yep. Yeah. So we're still here. There's people behind us. So we got back to Lethbridge. So we just got back to Lethbridge. We met up with Nick and Kendra because they got stuck on the side of the road. And then we went out to eat, and halfway through eating, the power went out. And it came back on for a second, and then it was out again, and it's been out since. So that was fun. I've never had that happen before, and it is just getting worse out there. So we're gonna, where are we going next?
Walmart.
Wally World.
Wally World? All right, we're going there. I think just to kill some time, and then, I don't know, it's supposed to be like this for the next 2 days, so we'll see how it goes.
Brysen just texted me and said he's coming home today. He'll be here tonight. I guess he's leaving right now. It's like 11 o'clock, so he'll be back around like 8. I think it's like an 8-hour drive, so he'll be back like 7, 8 o'clock. He said they're gonna go slow since it's really snowy, but he's coming back tonight. I'm so excited. Jenna, are you excited to see Brysen? Are you excited? Too bad I can't bring you over to my house. You can barely see your eyes. Jenna, are you excited? Are you excited, Jenna? This dog will get so excited. I'll have to like insert a clip of hers, like of me coming over to my parents' house. How excited she gets to see me. Puppies! Puppies! Yeah, she gets really excited to see me. The other puppy, Pascal, I don't know if you can see him. Watch out, Tiana. He's under the couch. Pascal, hi. Are you excited, Pascal? No? Okay. Bye. Something's happening here in Idaho. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's snowing here. Look at all that snow. Probably so much compared to where Brysen's at, right? And just like that, it stopped snowing here. It's like a half an hour. It's just cold and windy. He's home! You're finally home!
I'm finally home after 8.5 hours of driving. This video was probably really sporadic, and I got like little bits of here and there. So it's not like, if this video is hard to follow, or if it was hard to follow, I apologize. I kind of really wanted to just enjoy the time that I had out there and just enjoy the wedding and be there to support my cousin, not be there to make a video. We dug out like 3 cars. My brother got high centered in the middle of the road because there was so much snow that was unplowed. Yeah, it was a really hectic day yesterday. Power went out during lunch at a restaurant. That was fun. And yeah, you saw everything. So.
And it's not a tiny bit here.
It snowed, yeah. Did you show them outside?
Yeah.
Yeah. Up there, It looks like it's middle of the winter right now after one day.
Yeah, it's
great.
not like half an hour for like little tiny snowflakes.
Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions or anything about what happened that I didn't include, just put it in the comments below and subscribe if you're new. We'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye!